Pi Network started with a bold mission, a mission to redefine the landscape of digital currency and empower individuals worldwide. It wasn't just about creating another cryptocurrency, it was about building a truly inclusive and accessible financial ecosystem for everyone. To make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone regardless of their technical expertise or financial status. The goal was to break down the barriers that often prevent ordinary people from participating in the digital economy and to create a level playing field where everyone has the opportunity to benefit from the potential of blockchain technology. Launched by Stanford grads, Pi let anyone mine coins on their phone, a revolutionary approach that democratized the mining process and made it accessible to millions of smartphone users around the globe. This innovative concept eliminated the need for specialized equipment and technical knowledge, opening up the world of cryptocurrency to a much wider audience. No expensive hardware, no wasted energy. Pi Network distinguished itself by prioritizing environmental sustainability from the outset. By leveraging the power of mobile technology, Pi significantly reduced the energy consumption associated with traditional cryptocurrency mining, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable digital economy. This approach opened the door for millions worldwide, many new to crypto. People who had previously felt excluded from the digital currency revolution now had a simple and accessible way to participate, learn, and earn. Pi's core philosophy: community and inclusivity. From the very beginning, Pi Network recognized the importance of building a strong and supportive community around its project. The network grew by rewarding everyday people for securing the blockchain, building a massive user base before assigning any value to the coin. This strategic approach fostered a sense of ownership and participation among its members, creating a vibrant and engaged community that is deeply invested in the success of the project. Pioneers mined Pi daily, forming a unique social fabric around the project. They weren't just passively holding a digital asset, they were actively contributing to the growth and development of the Pi Network ecosystem. It wasn't just about speculation, it was about being part of a movement towards a more equitable and accessible financial future for all. Years of patient development and community building have paid off. The Mainnet is live, the ecosystem is thriving, and Pi is bridging the gap to the traditional financial system. Pi Network is actively working to integrate its digital currency into existing financial infrastructure, making it easier for people to use Pi in their everyday lives. Now, the value pioneers hoped for is becoming reality. The hard work and dedication of the Pi Network community are beginning to bear fruit as the value of Pi continues to grow and its adoption expands. The groundwork is set for one of the most significant experiments in crypto adoption. Pi Network's unique approach to community building and its focus on accessibility have created a solid foundation for widespread adoption. Pi's vision of an inclusive, accessible digital currency is closer than ever. The project is poised to make a real difference in the lives of millions of people around the world, empowering them to participate in the digital economy and build a better future for themselves and their communities. This is a pivotal moment for both the network and its global community. The future of Pi Network is bright, and its potential to transform the world of finance is immense. Exciting news for Pi Network users. A game-changing update has arrived specifically for those residing in the United States. This update promises to streamline the process of acquiring Pi, making it more accessible than ever before. You can now directly purchase Pi within the app using US dollars. This eliminates the need for external platforms or complicated workarounds. Forget about navigating complicated cryptocurrency exchanges or dealing with cumbersome wallet transfers. The previous methods often presented a hurdle for new users, but those days are now over. Buying Pi is now as straightforward and easy as making any online purchase you're accustomed to. The familiar interface will make even first-time crypto buyers feel comfortable. Simply enter the amount of Pi you wish to purchase. The app will clearly display the equivalent USD value, ensuring transparency and ease of understanding. Then, choose Apple Pay as your preferred method of payment. This integration provides a secure and trusted payment gateway. Confirm the transaction quickly and securely using Face ID or Touch ID depending on your device. This biometric authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your purchase. Your newly acquired Pi is instantly deposited into your wallet within the Pi Network app. It's ready for you to use within the Pi ecosystem or to hold as you see fit. This seamless and intuitive process significantly lowers the barrier to entry for newcomers interested in joining the Pi network. It simplifies the on-ramp to cryptocurrency ownership. Ultimately, this makes cryptocurrency more accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior experience with digital assets. Pi Network is committed to inclusivity. The integration of Apple Pay opens the door for millions of iPhone users to effortlessly buy Pi with just a simple tap on their smartphone screen. There's no need to manually enter credit card details or be concerned about the security risks associated with sharing sensitive financial information. The entire transaction from start to finish typically takes less than a minute, making it a fast and convenient way to acquire Pi. This isn't just a minor update or a simple new feature. It represents a fundamental shift in how people can access and participate in the Pi network. By enabling direct USD purchases within the app, Pi is actively building a crucial bridge connecting the traditional financial system with its innovative digital cryptocurrency ecosystem. This facilitates greater liquidity within the Pi network, enhances its overall legitimacy, and significantly boosts its mainstream appeal to a wider audience. The purchase process is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it accessible enough for virtually anyone to use, staying true to Pi's core mission of ensuring mass accessibility and inclusivity for all. Pi Network is actively moving beyond its initial enclosed phase and is now poised and ready for widespread adoption in real-world commerce and transactions. The future of cryptocurrency adoption just took a giant leap forward, becoming significantly more user-friendly and accessible to everyone. This new USD purchase feature represents a significant leap forward for the Pi network. It's Pi's first official and direct fiat-to-crypto on-ramp, streamlining the process for users to acquire Pi using traditional currency. This is a pivotal moment, marking a new era of accessibility and integration for Pi within the broader financial landscape. Until now, the acquisition of Pi was primarily limited to mining through the mobile app or engaging in peer-to-peer transactions within the Pi community. These methods, while effective in fostering early adoption and community engagement, presented limitations in terms of accessibility for newcomers. Pi could only be mined or traded peer-to-peer, never bought directly with dollars or other fiat currencies through an official channel. This created a barrier for individuals accustomed to traditional financial systems. This direct purchase tears down the wall, effectively bridging the gap between the traditional financial world and the innovative Pi network. This is more than just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic move to integrate Pi into the broader financial world, opening doors to wider adoption and increased utility. It connects Pi to the established infrastructure of global finance. It establishes an official price for Pi, providing a clear and transparent valuation mechanism. This price is set by real supply and demand dynamics within the app, reflecting the genuine interest and activity of the Pi community, not speculative IOUs or promises of future value. This ensures a more stable and reliable valuation for Pi. Users now have increased confidence in Pi's value, knowing that it's backed by a tangible mechanism for direct purchase and sale. This confidence is grounded in genuine transactions, fostering trust and encouraging wider participation in the Pi ecosystem. Critics once doubted Pi's legitimacy, questioning its long-term viability and real-world applicability. This move proves it's a real digital asset with real-world value, silencing the doubters and solidifying Pi's position in the cryptocurrency space. The on-ramp also ensures all transactions are secure and compliant with relevant regulations, providing a safe and reliable environment for users. This protects users from scams and fraud, safeguarding their investments and fostering a trustworthy ecosystem. By controlling the process and implementing robust security measures, Pi ensures a safe and reliable experience for all users. Pi maintains ecosystem integrity and adheres to regulatory standards, ensuring long-term sustainability and credibility. This isn't just about convenience and ease of use for the average user. It's about building a secure, credible financial system that can withstand the test of time and provide a reliable platform for economic activity. The direct on-ramp validates years of community effort and unwavering belief in the potential of Pi. Pi is now a legitimate player in the digital currency world, poised for continued growth and innovation. Pi's journey has been all about patience and careful growth. At first, users mined Pi by simply tapping a button daily. No technical skills needed. This let millions join, building a huge, diverse community. For years, Pi existed in a closed system. No trading, no cashing out. This enclosed Mainnet phase allowed the team to build infrastructure and verify users without wild price swings. Gradually, peer-to-peer transactions and barter markets emerged, proving Pi's real-world utility. Now, with direct USD purchases, Pi has bridged its internal economy to the global financial system. Mining continues, but buying Pi with fiat changes everything, bringing in new capital and liquidity. Each step, from mobile mining to fiat access, was designed for sustainability and mass adoption. The result, a cryptocurrency built for real people, ready for the market. Pi's methodical approach is turning its promise into reality. Pi's lockup feature is key to its economic stability. Pioneers can lock up their Pi for up to 3 years, earning a higher mining rate in return. This reduces the circulating supply, helping prevent wild price swings. A stable currency attracts merchants and developers, making Pi more useful. Lockups reward long-term believers, not just short-term speculators. The result is a positive feedback loop. More lockups mean more stability, which boosts value for everyone. Pi's design encourages commitment and investment in the network's future. This collective stability is crucial as Pi integrates with the broader economy. As of August 3, 2025, Pi's official in-app price is about $42.50 per coin. This price is set by real transactions, not speculation. The circulating supply is around 2.8 billion Pi, giving a market cap of roughly $119 billion. Trading volume has surged to $550 million in 24 hours since the fiat on-ramp launched. Most Pi is still locked up or awaiting KYC, keeping supply tight and supporting the price. The mining rate continues to decrease, ensuring scarcity. Pi's combination of a vast user base, limited supply, and new capital is a powerful economic formula. Pi has moved from concept to a major player in digital assets. Easy USD to Pi conversion is the fuel for Pi's growing economy. New liquidity means more Pi to spend on apps, goods, and services. Developers now have a real incentive to build for Pi, knowing users can top up instantly. Imagine tipping creators or buying game items with Pi. Now it's possible. Merchants can accept Pi confidently, with customers able to buy more on the spot. The official price and instant purchases remove friction for real-world adoption. This creates a virtuous cycle. More liquidity attracts more apps and merchants, which drives more demand. Pi is evolving from a speculative asset to a true digital economy. The fiat bridge unlocks exponential growth in utility and adoption. Pi's ecosystem is primed for self-sustaining expansion. With direct fiat access, Pi is on the road to mainstream adoption. Next up, expanding purchase options to more countries and currencies. Pi's global community is its strength. Worldwide access is the goal. The focus now shifts to supporting developers and merchants with grants and better tools. The killer app for Pi could be a marketplace, social platform, or game, something that draws users on its own. Decentralization is the next milestone. Community governance will give pioneers a real voice. The aim is a fully decentralized global digital economy. Challenges remain, but Pi's foundation is strong. The future is about turning millions of users into an active, transacting economy. Direct USD purchases mark a new era for Pi and decentralized finance. Pi's community-first approach has paid off. Now, the promise is real and tangible. Buying Pi with dollars and Apple Pay legitimizes years of effort and signals maturity. Pioneers can now actively use Pi in a growing ecosystem, not just accumulate it. Pi's phase strategy, community, utility, then market access, sets a new standard for crypto adoption. User-friendly features like Apple Pay integration lower barriers for everyone. Pi is now a living digital economy ready to expand and make a lasting impact. The dream of a cryptocurrency for everyone is becoming reality.